Hi everyone, in this video I'll be re-looking at the GTM Supercar while I'm still raising funds for the 33 Hot Rod. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below and share with others on social media. While I'm raising funds for the 33 Hot Rod, I had some spare time. I was thinking about the next car I wanted to build after this one. Now, for some reason, I have this gut feeling I want to build at least 2 cars from kits and also fully restore a vehicle. And you never know where it goes from there. I got a comment from a follower that was mentioning it is easy to build a GTM for $40K, but I don't agree with that at all. A decent paint job will cost $7K minimum. The kit is $30 plus with the options that you want, and $10K for the transmission. And we haven't even gotten to the engine yet or the donor Corvette that a lot of the parts come from. That also doesn't include the hundreds of parts you're going to have to buy, like bolts or interiors or radios or anything. Now, they also mentioned that you could buy unfinished kits cheap, and that might be true, but I'm not interested in redoing someone else's mistakes or what is hidden from the last person and have to start over. At least right now, I'm not in that mindset. My 33 Hot Rod build price keeps going up, and it's way over $40K. I could hit $70K easy, and my transmission is only $1,500, not $10,000. Now, there is one person in the Factory 5 community that was able to build a GTM for $40K, but there's a lot of stuff he had to do to get there. I think he parted out 2 or 3 Corvettes to help raise funds and get all the parts needed. He also worked with the community college students or something like that to help with a bunch of the labor for the bodywork and paint. Now, don't get me wrong, these are great ideas and definitely a way to get the price down. But the time and effort to be a parts broker on multiple cars, warehousing all the parts, making listings, dealing with consumers and shipping, one car could take over a year to recoup on it. So it's not as simple as you could build these for $40K all day long. It's just totally unrealistic. Now, as I'm raising funds, and you know I like projects, parting out a C5 does intrigue me a lot, but also could tie up some funds, and there's no guarantee everything will sell. And where do I store it? Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons, and have a great day.